Blueberries are often hailed as a true superfood, and for very good reason. These small, vibrant berries are absolutely packed with beneficial compounds. They offer a wealth of health advantages that can significantly contribute to our well-being. Their nutritional profile makes them particularly crucial for the elderly. As we age, our bodies need extra support to maintain vitality and protect against common ailments. Blueberries provide a natural and delicious way to achieve this. Among their specific health advantages, blueberries are widely known to boost brain health. They contain compounds that can enhance cognitive function and memory. This makes them an excellent addition to any diet focused on mental sharpness. Beyond the brain, blueberries also powerfully support heart function. Their unique blend of nutrients helps maintain cardiovascular health. Regular consumption can contribute to a healthier heart and circulatory system. Furthermore, these remarkable berries are highly effective at combating inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is a root cause of many age-related diseases. Blueberries offer a natural defense against this pervasive issue. However, the impact of blueberry consumption methods is often overlooked. The way we choose to enjoy these berries can significantly affect their effectiveness. It's not just about eating them, but how we eat them. This discussion will explore a surprising food combination that many people enjoy. This seemingly innocent pairing might actually undermine the incredible benefits of blueberries. It's a common habit that could be counterproductive. This is especially true for older adults, whose digestive and absorption processes may differ. Understanding this interaction is key to maximizing the health potential of blueberries. We want to ensure every berry counts. Now, let's identify the problematic combination that could be hindering your blueberry benefits. The surprising culprit is dairy products. Many of us instinctively pair blueberries with these common items. Examples include adding blueberries to milk, stirring them into yogurt, or even blending them into ice cream. These pairings seem perfectly natural and delicious. They are a staple in many healthy diets. However, there's a scientific explanation for why this seemingly harmless pairing can be counterproductive. The issue lies in the interaction between dairy proteins and the powerful antioxidants in blueberries. Specifically, proteins found in dairy, like casein, have a tendency to bind to the polyphenol and anthocyanins in blueberries. These are the very compounds responsible for many of the berry's health benefits. This binding process significantly reduces the bioavailability of these vital compounds. When they are bound, your body struggles to absorb and utilize them efficiently. It's like they become locked away. Consequently, you might be consuming blueberries, but your body isn't getting the full antioxidant punch. The protective effects you expect are diminished. This makes your healthy choice less effective. This increased concern is particularly relevant for older adults. As we age, our digestive systems undergo natural changes. These changes can make nutrient absorption more challenging. Age-related changes in digestion mean that the body might already be less efficient at breaking down food. Adding a binding agent like dairy can further impede the absorption of delicate antioxidants. Furthermore, age-related changes in absorption can exacerbate the problem. The gut lining may become less permeable, reducing the uptake of nutrients. This makes efficient absorption even more critical. Therefore, the elderly may be more susceptible to this binding effect. Their bodies might already be working harder to extract nutrients. This dairy combination adds an unnecessary hurdle to blueberry absorption. Understanding this interaction is crucial for seniors and health enthusiasts alike. It empowers you to make informed choices about how you consume your blueberries. We want to ensure you get every possible benefit. The good news is there's absolutely no need to eliminate blueberries from your diet. They remain an incredibly valuable superfood. The key is simply to adjust your consumption methods to optimize their benefits. Making a few simple changes can ensure you unlock the full potential of these tiny powerhouses. It's about smart pairing, not deprivation. You can still enjoy your favorite berries. One highly recommended alternative pairing is to enjoy blueberries with nuts and seeds. This combination offers a fantastic nutritional boost. It's a delicious and beneficial snack. Nuts and seeds provide healthy fats, which are essential for overall health. These fats can also aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. They complement the water-soluble antioxidants in blueberries. They also provide a good source of fiber, which supports digestive health. This pairing creates a balanced and satisfying snack. It's a win-win for your body. Another excellent way to enjoy blueberries is to add them to oatmeal. This creates a fiber-rich breakfast that is both nutritious and delicious. It's a perfect start to your day. Oatmeal provides complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. The blueberries add natural sweetness and a burst of antioxidants. This combination supports gut health and provides lasting satiety. If you love smoothies, opt for non-dairy alternatives when blending your blueberries. This simple switch can make a significant difference in antioxidant absorption. It's an easy way to upgrade your drink. Consider using almond milk as a base for your smoothies. It's light, creamy, and doesn't interfere with nutrient absorption. It provides a neutral flavor that lets the blueberries shine. Soy milk is another excellent non-dairy option. It's rich in protein and provides a smooth texture. It's a great choice for those looking for a plant-based protein boost. For a thicker, creamier smoothie, try coconut yogurt instead of dairy yogurt. It offers a similar texture without the problematic dairy proteins. It's a delicious and beneficial swap. Perhaps the simplest and most effective method is to eat blueberries on their own. Enjoying them as a standalone snack ensures maximum absorption. There are no competing elements to hinder their benefits. This allows your body to fully absorb all the precious antioxidants and nutrients. It's the purest way to experience their health advantages. Sometimes, less is truly more. Now, if consuming blueberries with dairy is absolutely necessary for you, there's a strategy to minimize the negative impact. It requires a bit of planning, but it can help. Try to separate the consumption of blueberries and dairy by at least an hour. This allows your digestive system time to process the dairy proteins. It reduces the chance of binding. By creating this time buffer, you give the antioxidants a better chance to be absorbed before encountering dairy proteins. This strategy allows for better absorption of nutrients. It's a practical compromise. Remember, the goal is to maximize the health benefits you receive from these incredible berries. Small adjustments can lead to significant improvements in nutrient uptake. Your body will thank you. In summary, we've uncovered some key insights into optimizing your blueberry consumption. Making simple adjustments to how you enjoy these berries can be incredibly beneficial. It's about smart choices for better health. These adjustments ensure you are getting the absolute most out of every single blueberry you consume. You want to maximize their antioxidant power and nutritional value. Don't let good berries go to waste. This approach supports overall health, especially as one ages. Prioritizing efficient nutrient absorption becomes even more critical in our later years. Blueberries are a powerful ally in healthy aging. It's truly remarkable how small changes in our daily habits can make a big difference in our well being. These minor tweaks can lead to major improvements in how our bodies function. Every little bit counts. We strongly encourage all viewers to experiment with these tips. Try incorporating blueberries with nuts, in oatmeal, or simply on their own. Discover what works best for you and your lifestyle. We'd also love for you to share your favorite blueberry recipes that align with these principles. Your ideas could inspire others in our community. Let's learn and grow together. And finally, please subscribe for more health insights and practical tips. We are dedicated to providing you with valuable information to support your journey towards optimal health. Join our community today.